This is the Netgear PLP1200 Powerline Extender. It comes with 2 devices, 2 network cables, and a quick setup manual. It requires a 3-prong outlet. It means where you're going to plug it in needs to have 3 holes. And it offers an outlet at the back so you can plug in your other devices. This is the Ethernet port that supports 10 and 100 megabits per second connection and a maximum of 1 gigabit per second connection. It also has LED status indicators at the front. The one at the bottom is pick-a-plug LED that displays red, amber, and green. The Ethernet LED that is solid green when there's a signal coming from your modem or your computer. And the power LED, which is solid green when it's powered on, solid amber when it's on power saving mode, and blinking green when it's in the process of setting up security. But when the power LED is off, that means nothing is turned on. That just makes sense. Now let me show you how this power line is set up, and I'll give you more information along the way. So guys, we're going to start connecting this guy right here, and this is the one that is connected to the modem. What you're looking at right now is my Wi-Fi modem and my gigabit switch, and that's where the network cable is plugged in. And this other end of the network cable will be plugged in to the power line device. Now let's plug in the first device, and as soon as you plug in, you can see the power LED just turned on. The pick-a-plug LED also turned on because it's checking if there's another device that is already plugged in. Now let's plug in the network cable. And you can see that the Ethernet LED just turned on because it detected a signal coming from the modem. Now it's time to plug in the other device. And we're going to set this up in my son's room. So right now there is a power bar that is already plugged in on the wall outlet. And if I try to plug in the power line, it will not go all the way in and it's not going to fit. So I have to unplug the power bar, and that's the only time I can plug in the power line. Good thing that there's an outlet at the back of the power line so I can plug the power bar back in so I can power up the rest of my devices. So the power LED is on, the pick-a-plug LED is on. It means it detected the other device. Now it's time to plug in the network cable. These 2 devices can cover up to 5,300 square feet of space and can be extended up to 16 devices. But before I plug in the network cable, let me show you that the computer is currently using Wi-Fi connection. There it is. You can see the Wi-Fi symbol, and it's currently connected to a Wi-Fi SSID. Let's go ahead and plug in the network cable. And as soon as I plug in the Ethernet cable, you will see that the Ethernet LED will light up. Another thing to remember, that although this power line supports up to 1200 megabits per second, it doesn't mean that that's the connection speed that you're going to get. The connection speed will vary based on the environment that you're going to plug it in. It could be your power outlet or your internet provider. This power line is plug and play. There's no need for an app or any configuration for you to start using it. And now let's check the computer if it starts using a wired connection. And there it is, the wired connection. And even if we check the system tray right at the bottom next to the clock, it started using the wired connection. One last piece of advice regarding the power lines. Make sure you plug this in directly to a wall jack. Never plug it in through a power bar, a surge protector, a power strip, or those outlet multipliers. Just take my word for it. For much better performance and stable connection, make sure to plug this in directly to a wall outlet. So guys, this is the Netgear PLP1200 Powerline Extender. Get yours today. Thanks for watching.